Tired of raking leaves and sweeping debris? The Husqvarna Aspire B8X-P4A leaf blower makes garden cleanup faster and simpler. It's compact, battery-powered, and designed to get the job done without the hassle. In the box, you'll find the leaf blower itself, tailor-made storage hook, detachable blower tube, and the user manual. Batteries and chargers are not included, but if you already own an 18-volt power for all tool, you're in luck, as batteries are compatible with other Husqvarna Aspire tools. But more on that later. Straight out of the box, you'll notice how light it is. At just 2 kilograms, excluding the battery, it's easy to maneuver and won't wear you out. The soft grip handle gives you great control with one hand, and it reduces strain and fatigue during longer use. Built tough with smart ergonomics, this leaf blower can handle clearing up your garden needs. Storage is straightforward, mounted on the wall using the included hook. And with the detachable tube, the leaf blower takes up minimal space, whether you're storing it away in the shed or garage or taking it with you. The modern black finish with strategic orange accents isn't just for looks. Those orange details mark every button and control, so you'll know how to use it from day one. The Aspire user-friendly digital interface lets you easily turn your machine on and off with the push of a button, and the display shows the battery life status so you can only see how much power is left. While 3 speed settings give you full control over airflow. Prune trimmings in the flower beds? Cleared. Grass clippings? No problem. Heavy, wet leaves piled up? They're no match for this leaf blower. And operating at a maximum of 93 decibels, it stays neighbor-friendly, so you can work early mornings or late evenings without second thoughts. Powered by the 18-volt Power for All system, you get solid performance from batteries optimized for the Aspire range and works seamlessly with other Husqvarna tools. The auto shutdown kicks in after 3 minutes of inactivity to conserve power. And if you need guidance, the Husqvarna Connect app offers tips, troubleshooting, and even parts recommendations right in your pockets. Getting started is simple. First, let's attach the tube. While holding down the orange button at the top, slide it in until you hear the click. Next, glide the battery into the port. Another click means it's locked in. Press and hold the power button until the green battery status LEDs light up. Then press the power trigger to start it. To set the best airflow for your task, toggle between the 3 power settings by pushing the speed control button. When done, release the power trigger. Push and hold the power button until the green LED lights switch off. Finally, remove the battery by pushing the orange release button and pulling the battery out before storing. Cleaning up your garden and outdoor areas really is that easy. Leave the rake and broom behind. The Husqvarna Aspire B8X-P4A leaf blower makes light work of outdoor cleanup.